Hey guys, and welcome back to Simply Nailer, and I'm sorry it's been a while since I've filmed a video, but I'm back, so today I'm going to show you how to do this simple floral nail design for spring, so let's get into it. I forgot to film this part, but I started off by using Rory from Zoya. So next I'm going in with my acrylic paints, and this design is pretty simple, so I just started off doing black lines for the branches. Now the next thing I did was take the wet acrylic paint on a dotting tool, and I just did 4 or 5 small dots for the flowers. The last thing that I did was add Goldie from Zoya to the center of all of the flowers. And now it's time to seal it all in with the top coat. Well, that is all guys, thanks for watching. I promise I'll be more active now, so subscribe to see more videos like this. Also leave a like if you like this video, and comment your suggestions for my next nail design in the comments. Bye!